that song as well. All right, if you know the song, you can lip sync along with me. I don't have any music with me tonight, but you guys can clap along. As these guys, this is the new trio of Upwards. Let's hope this goes well.
I got the joy, 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 joy down in my heart.
Clear,
Down in my heart.
clear,
Down in my heart. I got the joy, 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 joy down in my heart.
clear.
Down in my heart to stay.
And I'm so happy, so very happy. I had the love of Jesus in my heart.
Down in my heart.
And I'm so happy, so very happy. I have the love of Jesus in my heart.
Now if the devil doesn't like it, he can sit on a chair.
Ouch,
Sit on a chair.
ouch.
Sit on a chair. And if the devil doesn't like it, he can sit on a chair.
Ouch.
Sit on a chair to stay.
And I'm so